So, Tiana Lucas, 1969, asked the question, how can you export a long video, like 24 hours? And to answer your question, Tiana, the only way that I found you are able to do that is by taking the physical SD card that is installed into the camera and plugging it into your PC. Now, there's a couple of challenges with this, of course. When you plug it in, you go into the USB and you can now read the data. These are all the videos. Now, according to this information, the size of each file is 262 megabytes, and also the dates are not correct. So I think this is because every now and again it needs to delete some data in order to overwrite it and put more data like the newer versions. But let me show you one of the videos, for example, and then you'll see. So let's let's look at this one here, for example. This one is HIV. Wow, what a name. HIV 00450. But it says that it was modified on the 4th of October 2023 at 5:59 p.m., right? And if you open that, you will see on the time that it was actually recorded, it was the 1st of April 2025 at 12 p.m. So the time is not exactly correct, and that is the big downside. But the upside is that you can collect the data, like all of them, once you figured out which one it is. In order to figure out which data you need to extract, you are gonna need to open them one by one. Maybe you're just gonna need to like jump. If you look at this video and you can see that it was way before, obviously it's gonna follow each other, and then according to the numbers, you're gonna look at the days or the times as you scroll through. So I know for a fact that this last one is the last video that was recorded before I unplugged the micro SD card. So it's not exactly a 100% method, and I don't understand why EZVIZ also doesn't have this included in their manual, because they should. I mean, what else are people recording it for if it's not to review the footage, right? But yeah, for now, this is the only way that I found you can do it. You need to unplug your micro SD from the camera, plug it into your PC or laptop, and browse the files or video files from there. And then after you've looked at the footages, you choose the one that you need to extract. And obviously, you're gonna need to rename it so that you don't keep getting confused. So I hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.